Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Ethereum. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Waves and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 1 hour time frame and having this as the main count still, having this as a 5-way structure coming down into wave A, 3-way pullback into wave B, and then looking for this around 1-to-1 extension for that wave C. Now, there is no clues for this to be a wave 1, 2 as of yet. At least we are starting to get some kind of divergence, at least on 1 hour time frame as well. So that is a scenario, or basically a signal saying that okay, something is about to end here. Now if we are looking at this last leg on 15-minute time frame, we have the lowest low here on RSI all the way up in here, so we do have these double divergences basically. And how or what would fit into this picture is the fact that this would be a third of third, and then we would have divergence again between the third and fifth. So hopefully that makes sense. This is very typical where we are expecting the lowest or the highest momentum basically. On this case, as we are coming down, it is the lowest in RSI, creating divergence 2 times here, and that would make sense. So that is my primary idea at this very moment, that we are possibly completed the wave 5 or are very close to it. We have already made the lows here and hit the 1.618 here, which is again one of the targets. Where do I have it? Extended. There we go. 1.618. There is also another target at 2.618 here, but we don't need to be really going in there. This would fit very much, very well at the moment. So let's take a look at this closer structure. I'm not going to go too deep into this mess over here, because again, that was the structure that we had during the FOMC. We were expecting some kind of pump here and then continuous in the downside, which we did get, and we did get this in a more like a 3-way structure, but again, during the FOMC, these wave structures are always very bad. So I try to avoid trading during these, even if I'm going to be missing out to trade, because again, it is so volatile and very pump and dump feeling like. Okay. Now, is it possible that wave 5 is not done here? Yes, it is possible, and we could be doing something like this, trying to create that divergence lower, because again, this was the lowest RSI here, at least on 15-minute. If we are looking at 5-minute, it still is the lowest. Probably need to be going in way lower to see some kind of divergence here. Yeah, there we go, some kind of divergence here, but I wouldn't mind too much if we would get one more low here, taking out these lows, taking out the stop losses from here, and then going higher. Pretty much the same thing how we would be doing these previous lows, taking out the lows, continuing up, and that would be very nice. Now, on a smaller time frame, 1 minute, what can we look at this to be? We do have overlap between this high and this low, so we can't really have this as a 1, 2, 3. A lot of overlapping structures inside here, so it is possible that we have some kind of corrective pattern in here inside. I would not get into too detail into this smaller time frame. I would just wait until we are starting to get these divergence, as we are getting them here on 5-minute, and then once we are getting this pullback, some kind of pullback, we could be looking into the structure that we have had here. If it reminds us of a 3-way move, then or 5-way move, then we could be looking into longing the pullback here upwards, and if it is indeed a 3-way move instead, then there could be some kind of continuation to the downside, more likely. But yeah, those are the things that I would be looking at this moment. Let's take a look at, if this was the peak, the golden pocket would be around the $12.50 area. Do we have something here on non-anywhere stuff? Not really. I don't see at least anything here. Nope, nothing there. 0.5 has the daily point of control. Okay, that's where we pivoted from. Naked point of control that we had previously, basically, but we already tapped it once yesterday during that FOMC meeting, so it's not really a level. I just hadn't updated it. But yeah, you can see that it was somewhat valid, even though we did get some kind of bounce from the lows again. But yeah, looking for this structure to complete itself, and then possibly looking into longing maybe during this daily point of control that is currently forming out. But yeah, that is the plan for today. If you made it far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Links to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.